Are you seeing uneven gas output lighting? Or burner clicks but just won't light? Over time, the spark igniter or the gas orifice may be clogged by grease and gunk and not be performing at its capacity. In this support video, we will be cleaning the gas orifice, the spark igniter and the burner cup. Supplies needed are sandpaper, denatured alcohol or rubbing alcohol, a 7mm socket, gloves, an old toothbrush, a very thin wire or paper clip or needle and a degreaser. Make sure to close your gas line and unplug the range. We'll start first by cleaning the burner cup holder. Spray a good amount of degreaser and allow it to soak in for a few hours. With an old toothbrush, scrub the surrounding area and wipe clean. Wipe the spark igniter with some denatured alcohol or rubbing alcohol to remove particles. We use denatured alcohol because it will dry quickly when applied. With some fine sandpaper, gently start sanding the metal tip. Be gentle and be careful not to damage the white insulator. Lightly sand around the metal tip as well. Wipe the spark igniter with some denatured alcohol or rubbing alcohol to remove and loosen particles. Next, we will clean the gas orifice. With a 7mm socket, gently remove the gas orifice. The gas orifice has a little opening at the center. You can clean this with a small wire or needle or paper clip to remove any loose gunk. Repeat the process for any other gas orifice you may have on the burner cup. For a single gas entry burner, the process is the same to remove and clean the gas orifice. Wipe the spark igniter with some denatured alcohol or rubbing alcohol to remove and loosen particles. With some fine sandpaper, gently start sanding the metal tip. Be gentle and be careful not to damage the white insulator. Lightly sand around the metal tip as well. Wipe the spark igniter with some denatured alcohol. To clean the aluminum burner, please watch our video, link in description. In brief, soaking the burner in vinegar for 8 hours will loosen any particles. With a fine wire, paper clip or needle, clean each groove. For brass burners, clean each opening. This completes the cleaning process.